Imagine creating stunning graphic designs using free AI tools. Today I will show you 5 powerful AI tools every graphic designer must know in 2026. So this is what we are learning in this video: how designers use AI to create stunning visuals, the best free AI tools for graphic design in 2026, how to combine AI with your design skills, and why AI knowledge is becoming essential for designers, tips to create captivating and professional graphics. So if you like social media designs, how to make money online, how to tutorials, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Thanks and God bless you.
Why designers must learn AI. The importance of AI in design. Number one is faster design process. AI tools can quickly generate layouts, color schemes, and design ideas. This reduces the time designers spend on repetitive tasks and allows them to focus more on creativity. Number two is improved creativity. AI can suggest new styles, patterns, and concepts that designers might not have considered. By analyzing large amounts of design data, AI can inspire fresh and innovative ideas. Number three, automation of repetitive tasks. Many design tasks like background, resizing image, or generating variations can be automated using AI. Tools like Adobe Photoshop and Canva use AI features to perform these tasks efficiently. Number four is better decision making. AI analyzes user data and feedback to help designers understand what works best. This helps in making design choices that improve user experience and engagement. Number five is personalized design experience. AI helps designers create personalized content for different users. For example, websites and apps can adjust layouts, colors, or recommendations based on user preference. So, in summary, AI improves design by making the process faster, boosting creativity, automating tasks, and enabling personalization and supporting better design decisions. Okay, so we are going to look at the AI tools. All of the AI tools, you are going to look at it. If you look at this image right now, you see that this is AI generated, and this was the actual image that I converted. So this is the image that I converted to this with AI using the prompt. So it's because I have the creativity, you have to get that creativity to do what? To know how to convert all this, you can tell AI to do this for you. The last AI tool I'm going to be mentioning is what most graphic designers use. So I want you to watch this video to the end so you can learn those AI tools and use it for yourself. So how do designers use AI to create stunning visuals? Designers use AI to create stunning visuals through strong prompts. Okay, so you need to know how to do to get strong prompts for your designs. So you take the prompts to the AI tool, and the AI tool will help you generate the graphics for you, and it will just be stunning. So the graphics you're seeing right here, this particular design you're seeing right here on the screen, is through a strong prompt. I used the strong prompt and put it on the AI site, and I was able to get this. Okay, so you see that you need a strong prompt in order for you to create stunning visuals. Okay, now you are also going to learn the best free AI tools for graphic designers in 2026. Okay, so I want you to watch this video to the end, and also like this video, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my content. Guys, I want you to do that right now. So okay, I want us to look at how to combine AI with your design skills too, and also why AI knowledge is becoming essential for designers, and tips to create captivating and professional graphics. Okay, so watch this video to the end so you learn all this. Okay, the best free AI tools for graphic designers in 2026. We have Midjourney AI.online for prompts. So if you need prompts, a good prompt, you can come to this site and get your prompts. Okay, so here's the prompt configuration. You can see it here. So once you log into your account, you see the prompt configuration right here. So you enter all the details of what you want. You can see the subject, Okay, you can see it here, the subject, the art style, the mood, the lighting, the color palette, and others. So after you enter the details, everything, and additional requirements, then you click on generate prompts. Okay, this is for basically for prompts. And then we have midjourney.com. Midjourney.com is for where you generate the arts. Midjourney.com. So I want you to see the difference. Midjourney AI online is for what? Is for prompts. Midjourney AI.online is for prompts, while midjourney.com is for what? Is for art. Midjourney for you to generate the designs, the graphics that you want. So let's look at midjourney.com. Okay, so this midjourney.com is not free. The midjourney.com is not free, but you can pay the $8 per month. Okay, it's even yearly plan. It's a yearly plan. So let's look at it here. So you can see it. The basic plan is what? $8 per month, and it's 20% off billed annually. You get to generate limited generations, 200 images, SD video generation, generate commercial terms, optional fast hours top ups, 3 current fast image jobs, 1 concurrent fast video job, user editor uploaded image. So this is what you do with the yearly plans. So you can see it's yearly billings. Okay, so if you want to use midjourney.com, you can go ahead and subscribe for $8. So you can use it for generating ads, and then the Midjourney AI online is for what? For generating prompts. Okay, so now let's look at another free AI tools called Leonardo AI. So Leonardo AI is for you to do what? For you to also uh, generate images and videos. So you can see it. Okay, once you click on this image, so you click here image. So once you click it, you go to what? The image for you to generate your image. Let me see if you can do that. Okay. Okay. So or you can just put your prompt here. Okay. Okay, look here. So look at, I have tokens. I have tokens. So they'll give you free tokens daily for you to use and generate what? Any graphics or image of your choice. Okay, they give you free tokens. Okay, so you can use it to generate any image of your choice on this Leonardo AI. Okay, now we have another free AI tool. Another free AI tool we call Adobe Firefly. Adobe Firefly. So Adobe Firefly is also an image professional AI design generation. So you can try it out. So this site is very cool for you to generate any image of your choice. Okay, any image of your choice. So you can see, let me show you the image that generated. Okay, so let it load. You see, okay, so here are the images I generated on Firefly, Adobe Firefly. You can see the images here. So I used the prompt I got from Midjourney AI.online to get all these graphics you are seeing here. So you can try Adobe Firefly for any types of designs and arts. Okay, or you can also use it to generate graphics of any stunning graphics. Okay, so another free AI tool we are going to be looking at is what Gemini and what ChatGPT. So these two apps, these two free tools right now we're talking about is what most graphic designers use every day to generate what? Images and art. So you can try it right now. So look at Gemini here. So let me go to Gemini and show you. So Gemini is one of the free AI tools you can use to generate images, designs of anything. Okay, so ChatGPT is basically for prompt, also prompt writing. So writing a good prompt is very essential if you're a graphic designer. Okay, if you're a graphic designer, you must know how to write good prompts. Okay, you must know how to write good prompts so that you can get a good design, a good stunning visual. Okay, So that's how. So this is my Gemini account. So if I enter what I want here, so one way is to get a good prompt. Getting a good prompt is very essential. So you need to get a good prompt, and you can get it from where? Midjourney AI. And you can also ask ChatGPT to give you what? A good prompt. Here is what I usually do. This for design tips, okay? For design tips, this is what I do. If I get a good design, I will upload it to ChatGPT. So let's go to ChatGPT now. So let me show you ChatGPT. So um, when you go to ChatGPT, just type ChatGPT on your phone. Okay. So once you log into your ChatGPT with your Google account, you will be able to just upload an image that you want and tell it to write a good prompt for that particular image. I did a video about this. Just check my video section and you see a video of how I was able to create a birthday flyer design using AI. So you can learn these tricks there and know how to create your own. Okay, so that's what I usually do, and I got good and stunning visuals. Okay, so you can do that for yourself. How to combine AI with your design skills. When it comes to combining AI with your design skills, all you have to do is what? Once you design something, you take it to AI. I tell it to do this or remove the one object, or give you another design style. Okay, so you have to know what, be creative on what you are doing as a graphic designer. You need to know how to do what, to be creative. So like this design that you see here, I mostly show you this design because I know that this design, I was able to create it using what, a good prompt, and I know what it took me time. Okay, so I know that once you have a good prompt and you can tweak the prompt very well, it will give you exactly what you want and the visual will be very stunning. Okay, so you have to know how to do what, to write a good prompt, and combining your skill, you're already a graphic designer, you have to know how to do what, to talk to AI in a way that will suit your interest, how you want your design to look like. So if you want anything in your design, as maybe you design something, you want effects, you want a particular effect on your design, you can take it to AI and then AI will just create the effects for you. Okay, so you can combine your design skills with what, AI, for good visuals. Okay, so just look at this normal design here. Just look at this normal design. Okay, this is just the normal design. Now look at how it is here, but I was able to get this design because I did what, I used AI. Now check the two designs and you see that the one that is even more beautiful, the one that's even more beautiful is what, this one. Okay, so you know how to do what, to combine AI with your design skills and create stunning visuals. Okay, so go and watch my video of how I was able to create that birthday flyer and with using this free AI tool. So just go ahead and watch the video, click on the video section and watch it. So that's how to grow. You have to learn how to do what, to create a good visuals. Okay, using AI. Why AI knowledge is becoming essential for designers. So one reason why AI knowledge is becoming essential is because we are already in the digital age. So you need to know how to make use of AI to create something for yourself, for your business. Okay, so if you're already a business owner, you have to know how to use AI to communicate with your customers online. Yes, people are using AI, content creators, people are using AI to create promotional video adverts on Facebook, everyone, social media. Okay, so you need to know how to use AI. Okay, use AI to your advantage. So knowing more about AI is very, very important. AI knowledge is very important. It's a very essential step for what, for graphic designers. Okay, so you need to exploit AI very well and use it to your advantage. Tips to create captivating and professional graphics. So if you want to know how to create captivating and professional graphics, I want you to go and master prompt, okay, a strong prompt, okay. So go online. There are even people that are organizing classes about AI prompts. So you have to go and master AI prompts very well. Okay, even if you have to pay, to learn AI prompts, okay, strong prompts, okay. So another way for you to create good and captivating designs, for you to go out there and find inspiration. Look for inspiration designs on Pinterest, okay. Go on social media, go on Facebook groups and find groups about designs and explore, okay. Explore all those graphics from professionals, and then you learn on your own and design on your own, okay. So when you practice, you also explore other opportunities. When you practice daily and you master the skill of graphic design, you will know that you become a professional, okay. So I want you to go out there and keep exploring and know, trying out new AI tools that you can use to create stunning visuals for yourselves. So go out there and do what? Explore, okay.